Day 2. I just slept, because what you just saw was filmed at night. I just slept in my long silk cap. It did slip off a little bit, but only like to here. I am going out to dinner tonight for my mum's birthday. So I will be putting in heatless curls. So I'm just gonna put this in now, but before doing that, I'm gonna wash my fringe. It's not dirty or anything per se. It will be dirty tonight if I don't wash it now. Like, it doesn't take very long because I'm always touching it basically. I'm always moving it out of my face or repositioning it. So I do need to wash it pretty much every day if I want it to look good. I am going to really quickly wash that, and then I will blow dry it with cold air because it doesn't need all that much heat because it doesn't take very long to dry because the piece is so short. So the section that I'm going to be cleaning, it is that much. Okay, I'm just literally going to take, where did it go? I'm literally just going to take my round brush and cold air for like a couple minutes, and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm just going to detangle the rest of my hair and put a little bit of oil in it. It's still very shiny, very soft, very smooth, but because I'm going to be putting it in a heatless curl, just so it like kind of molds to that really easily. Again, being really gentle and going from the bottom. And going in with my Miracle Hair Perfector. I'm not going to do a straight part because that can leave you with like a really weird part at the back where it hasn't quite done anything. So I'm going to do a zigzag part all the way back. How does that look? I mean, it feels like a zigzag for sure. One thing I like to do when doing my fringe is, you see where the triangle kind of is, so if I was to put like a straight line here, that's the kind of, because I do half back, half front. So this section will be going back, and then this section will be going forward. Do we see what I'm saying? Do we see the vibe? Do we see the vision? So it's now 6 p.m. I was wanting to put my outfit on for dinner and then take the hair out, but I couldn't get the t-shirt off my head, so yeah, we're doing it this way around. So trust the process. Okay. Again, my hair's really, really dark, so The shine probably isn't going to show up on camera, so that's a success. So I just got back, it is 10:14, so I just thought I would check in and show you guys what I'm going to do to sleep tonight. My voice is going, I talked so much at dinner, I haven't seen my mum in a little while, so it was really nice to see her and catch up. I'm literally just going to go in with my long sleep cap. This is how my hair kind of held up, still very shiny, very glossy. The curls obviously kind of fell because my hair is really long, which makes sense. So all I'm going to do is put a brush through it and some oil. So I kind of look like a nun. That's how the silk cap goes on. Yeah, that's that for today. I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Good morning. You may notice that my hair is slightly different to how I said I was going to go to sleep. That is because in the middle of the night, the headband bit of the cap was irritating it even more. I had to take it off. I didn't want to leave my hair down, so I braided it. Welcome back. It is currently about 9 o'clock on Friday. Not doing anything fancy because my hair's just getting a little bit greasy, so I've just put it in a French plait. And my boyfriend's about to pick me up because we're going to go to his sister's house to play some video games. Probably until about like midnight, 1 o'clock-ish. So this will be probably the hair that I sleep with, again in a braid, to avoid irritating this. I can't wait for that to open back up in my sleep. So that will be an incredibly fun experience, but yeah, I'm just going with just a French braid, nothing fancy. Also, do we appreciate my Dan and Phil? I think this is unofficial merch, I got it for my birthday. Are we appreciating? I just finished watching their Poppy Playtime video, and you cannot tell me that the gay lion and the piano dinosaur are not direct references. You can't convince me, okay? It's a gay lion and a dinosaur that plays the piano. I will see you in the morning. So it was 2 AM when I got back. So I totally just conked out. I had my hair in that French braid when I went to sleep. And I've taken it out. Again, all I've done is brush my hair, put oil in it, and then washed my fringe because she was getting a bit greasy. In terms of my roots, yeah, they could use a clean for sure. So I'll be washing my hair today. I probably could go like another day or two, but I kind of want it curly again. So yeah, I guess that means this is the end of the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Love ya. Bye.